Hello everyone, this is Chilla with Moldex 3D. We have Oliver Stahl from Chemigon with us today. He will be presenting fluid injection technology for hollow structures with mechanical strength. Oliver Stahl is the managing director of Chemigon LLC, a distributor and technical consultant of plastic materials and systems. Oliver is a representative of Rule Puromer, a manufacturer of polyurethane for the direct coating process. He has been in the plastic industry for 30 years. He was with A. Schulman in various positions as business manager Europe, as well as general manager Americas for the engineering business unit Communical Education in Germany.
Thank you very much. Quick question to you. Can you see my screen? Do I share correctly?
Yes, you are.
Okay, perfect. All right. Thank you, everyone. And with that, good afternoon. My name is Oliver Stahl. I am the representative for various materials and technologies, and today we speak about fluid injection technology, a process and manufacturing process that is very effective, that gives us a lot of design freedom and is improving our cycle time. So if I would kick it off with these few advantages, I would like to describe, first of all, how the technology works. Later on, I would like to speak also about the materials that are suitable for this application, and then show you some parts, talk a little bit about the technologies and the mold designs we are using, and where fluid injection really plays out its advantages over other more conventional manufacturing processes. So let's jump right away into the what is it? What do we do here? We pretty much do a normal injection molding process. We fill a cavity in a normal process with polymer utilizing a regular injection molding machine. The only additional point is, once we completed the shot, we come from the opposite side and shoot a water jet through the tool to push the molten core back into the press. And I show you that here in an illustration so that you can see what I'm talking about. I hope you can see my mouse when it hovers over the drawing. In this case, in our picture number 1, we see a door handle tool. We see a barrel filled with material and a screw that sits there waiting to move the product forward. And then in picture number 2, you see the shot has been completed. The screw moved forward, material is in the tool, and we have a door handle.